lot of hail damage. Got brick windows.
I like the look of that. I've never seen this here.
Walking.
Huh?
That's just walking.
Well, the first start I was over at Dean's. I said, yeah, I think I'm going to go. I didn't even make it halfway across.
I've been waiting all day for a storm, but I didn't see none. I seen the clouds rolling in at 4:30 when I left Mount Rapids.
That's about when they got it.
They had the windows open.
Sure cooled her off.